VMware by Broadcom. Let's quickly talk about why VCF is such a good thing for the service providers in the end. Especially service providers are more and more challenged with the fact that you need to provide higher security, which makes password management, certificate management, and all these things very, very important for you. All of these things are going to be a lot easier when you utilize VCF. It's also all about software updates and things like that. So as a service provider, once you have implemented the management plane, it's going to be a lot easier to actually manage it from there. Also, if you have dedicated customers, you can have them with their own workload domain and other ways on how to make it easier for them. There is also now a list of other products which are going to be brought to you as part of the VCF suite, but we will cover those in individual videos. So for now, the most important part is how do you get there? We in ComDivision developed a dedicated workshop which we can take with you and actually go through your infrastructure and analyze what's missing, what should we do, and how do we get you the easiest way from where you are into the new world. If you want to make some hands-on experience, we are going to be with the Challenge Days 2 more times this year in the US. Architecture Think Tank already happened. The next one is going to be in Europe, but we are going to run those workshops as well. If you are going to attend VMware Explore, make sure that you sign up for a meeting with us so that we can actually show you in our customer briefing center on how we envision the migration from on-prem to VCF, not from on-prem, from your existing infrastructure into VCF is going to happen, and let's have a direct one-on-one during Explore in Las Vegas. Anything else, please feel free to put it in the comments, and actually also make sure that you follow me along so that you always get the latest and greatest around VMware by Broadcom. See you and goodbye.